Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we dive deep into the exciting world of cameras with the highly anticipated Nikon Z8 II. A successor to the original Nikon Z8, this new flagship mirrorless camera is generating immense buzz in the hybrid camera space, and for good reason. As the camera industry looks toward innovation, Nikon is positioning itself to disrupt the market with the Z8 II, a model packed with advanced features and significant upgrades designed for professional photographers and content creators. Nikon's Z8 II is expected to take everything we loved about the Z8 and elevate it with superior processing power, enhanced video performance, and exceptional autofocus capabilities. This new model, rumored to be available in the near future, will incorporate cutting-edge technologies that could set a new benchmark in the mirrorless camera sector. By refining the Z8's formula, Nikon seems poised to introduce a hybrid powerhouse. The Z8 II, an evolution in hybrid cameras. The original Nikon Z8, which launched in 2023, was a game-changer for hybrid content creators, offering high-end Z9-like performance in a more compact form at a competitive price. With its impressive 45.7 MP stacked CMOS sensor, 8K video recording, and fast autofocus, the Z8 quickly became a favorite for photographers and videographers alike. However, there were some areas that left room for improvement, like overheating. During prolonged 8K shoots and limited battery life, enter the Z8 II. This next-generation model is expected to address these pain points, while building on the Z8's successes. Industry leaks and insider reports suggest that Nikon is taking things to the next level by equipping the Z8 II with an advanced version of their XPED 7 processor, the same one used in the Z9. But unlike the Z9, which was focused on pure processing power, the Z8 II will optimize that performance to deliver better efficiency for both stills and video creators. Speed and performance, a new era for burst rates and video. One of the most exciting rumors about the Z8 II is its incredible burst rate of over 20 frames per second with continuous autofocus, an upgrade that will be a game-changer for sports and wildlife photographers. With the XPED 7 chip powering this speed, users can expect seamless high-speed shooting with minimal lag. Additionally, video enthusiasts will be thrilled by the enhanced 8K recording capabilities that offer higher frame rates and improve thermal efficiency, eliminating the overheating issues that plagued its predecessor. Furthermore, the Z8 II is rumored to support 12-bit NRAW and ProRes HQ video recording, delivering cinematic quality footage straight from the camera. This will open up new creative opportunities for filmmakers and video creators who demand exceptional quality without the hassle of post-production tweaks. Nikon is also said to be exploring lower-resolution RAW recording modes, allowing shooters to reduce file sizes without sacrificing editing flexibility, a feature that will be especially helpful for those working on fast-paced projects like event videography or documentaries. Improved thermal management. A big step forward. One of the Z8's main drawbacks was its tendency to overheat during extended video recording, particularly at 8K resolutions. The Z8 II is rumored to tackle this head-on with a revamped thermal management system. Experts speculate that Nikon will incorporate internal heat dissipation channels or even modular cooling accessories. With these improvements, the Z8 II could maintain 8K recording capabilities for longer periods without compromising performance, giving it an edge over competitors like Canon and Sony, who still face thermal limitations in similar high-resolution. Models, autofocus advancements, tracking. Made smarter, autofocus has been a strong point for Nikon in recent years, and the Z8 II is expected to push the envelope even further. With enhanced AI-driven algorithms, the Z8 II will offer faster and more accurate subject tracking, even in complex scenarios, like tracking fast-moving athletes or animals in motion. A new 3D Tracking Plus mode is rumored to give users more granular control over focus points, like locking onto specific subjects such as eyes or even isolating certain colors in a scene. This advanced tracking will make the Z8 II even more versatile for both photography and videography, ensuring that users can capture fleeting moments with precision. Revolutionizing video, 8K at 60 FPS and more. For videographers, the Nikon Z8 II is shaping up to be a serious contender in the high-resolution video space. The Z8 was already a powerful video tool, capable of 8K recording at 30 FPS, but the Z8 II is expected to take things even further. Leaks suggest that the new camera will offer 8K recording at an impressive 60 FPS and 4K at up to 240 FPS, pushing the boundaries of slow-motion filmmaking. Although these high frame rates may come with some crop factors, they will open up new creative avenues for creators looking to experiment with slow-motion shots. Moreover, support for higher bit rates and efficient compression options will ensure that the Z8 II delivers the highest quality video even under demanding conditions. And if that wasn't enough, built-in ND filters may be added, making outdoor shooting more efficient by reducing the need for additional accessories. Design tweaks, more lightweight and functional. While the original Z8 was praised for its robust, magnesium alloy body, the Z8 II may be lighter without compromising its durability. Rumors suggest the new model could feature carbon fiber composites, which would reduce weight significantly. Additionally, we might see ergonomic improvements like redesigned button layouts, an updated joystick, and customizable buttons that provide faster access to essential functions such as ISO and focus mode adjustments. Connectivity and price, striking the right balance. The Z8 II is also expected to improve connectivity options with dual USB-C ports and possible support for Wi-Fi. 7. This will make tethered shooting and remote workflows much more streamlined for professionals. High-speed wireless transfers could revolutionize workflows, especially for photographers and videographers working under tight deadlines. In terms of pricing, Nikon is likely to keep the Z8 II competitively priced to appeal to both hybrid creators and professionals. While the Z8 debuted at $3,999, the Z8 II may retail for around $4,500, still undercutting rivals like the Sony A1 6500 and Canon EOS R5 Mark II $4,000. This pricing strategy positions the Z8 II as an attractive alternative for creators looking for a powerful hybrid camera without breaking the bank. Stay tuned for more updates and rumors as the official release date nears.